Oh.
I'm over here, I'm over here, it's over here. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? She's stuck there.
Oh, that's adorable. You trying to beat that? You trying to beat that? You trying to beat that? Trying to beat that guy?
That's my phone. I wish I knew where the iPad was, the old one. Remember,
Yeah.
I had those games on it, those games for cats. Remember, Apollo used to play it.
Mhm.
Wonder if I could probably find something on my phone.
Artemis, silly girl, what are you doing?
Ooh, balance beam. Ah, close the gate. Speed demon. Speed demon. I'm gonna take her downstairs.
Cat is a speed demon, y'all.
No, don't fall over into the litter box. She's alright. She's okay. Just wait. See what she's gonna do. She is really fast, though. I've already had to chase her a couple times.
Did you chase her
That's
around
not
the
a toy.
house?
We don't play in our poop. No, I'm sorry. We do not play in our poop. I do not play in my toilet.